Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to disable Windows automatic updates. There are two steps to this. Let's see what is the first step. Press Ctrl and R. Then you can see the run command. Type services msc and OK button. And go to the bottom of this window. And you can see Windows Update. Double click on Windows Update. Select Disable in Startup Type. Okay. Next we look at the second step. Click Start button and type Edit Group Policy. Okay. Click the administrate templates, Windows components, and click Windows Update, and you can see configure automatic updates. Double click on configure automatic updates. Select disable and apply. Okay. Now it has stopped consuming your data unnecessarily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more videos.